Hi everyone. On Windows 11, you can move the taskbar to the left to restore the original alignment as in previous versions, and in this guide, I'll outline the steps to complete this configuration. Windows 11 includes an updated version of the taskbar that aligns its elements to the center of the screen. While this makes it easier to reach the Start menu and applications, especially on large monitors, many users still prefer the taskbar with items aligned to the left. Fortunately, the new operating system has a setting to change the default configuration that lets you decide whether icons should align to the left or center. In this guide, I will teach 2 ways to change the taskbar alignment. On Windows 11, use these steps. First, open Settings on Windows 11 and click on Personalization. Next, click on the taskbar and click the taskbar behaviors option. Next, select the left option to align icons to the left side in the taskbar alignment setting. Once you complete the steps, the Start button and other icons will align to the left side of the taskbar, like on Windows 10.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.